Hey friends, if you're experiencing high disk usage on your Windows, then please watch this video and we are going to fix that issue. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we are going to disable unnecessary startup applications. Now how can we do that? In the task manager, so in the Windows search bar type task manager, best match, go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications enabled on your Windows. Then look for all the unnecessary startup applications. Simply make a right click and then select Disable. Right click Disable. Especially for the startup applications that you're not using, then you just have to simply disable that. So once you have disabled all the unnecessary startup applications, close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here File, Explorer, Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on this PC. Then look for your Windows C drive. Right click and then select Show More Options. Now click on Properties. Now here you have the General, Tools, Hardware, and the Sharing tab. Click on the second tab, which is the Tools tab. Now you have here Optimize and Defragment drive. Optimizing your computer's drives can help it run more efficiently. Now click on Optimize. Then we have here the Scheduled Optimization. If this is turned on your Windows, if this is turned on, then you just have to simply switch this off or disable the Scheduled Optimization and then click on OK. And then simply close this window and click on OK. Next method is we are also going to disable some services. So in the Windows search bar, type here Services, Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Now first is we are going to look for the Connected Devices Platform service. To scroll down to letter C, as these are arranged in alphabetical order. And here you will find the Connected Devices Platform service. Right click and then select Properties. Startup type, click this to Disabled and click on Stop. Now do not worry because this will not affect the processes of your Windows. Click on Apply and then OK. Then scroll down to Sysmain, letter S. And look for Sysmain. Right click, select Properties. Startup type, change this to Disabled. Stop, Apply, and then OK. Then close this window. Then in the Windows search bar for the first method, we are going to perform a disk cleanup. So type here disk cleanup, Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Click on OK. Then here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you just have to simply check all of these boxes. Once done, click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on Delete Files. So we just have to wait for this as the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on our machine. And once this is done, we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Now here you have to click this button and check for updates as this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So you just have to go with that. Now once done, simply close this window and finally we're going to make a restart by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, you will notice a great difference for the disk usage of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.